Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Another in our series of lunchbox recipes, a simple and easy tamarind rice. So we'll make the Pulikachal, that is the tamarind gojju or Pulikachal as we call it, and keep it ready. Whenever you want, you have to just make the hot rice and then mix it together and your tamarind rice is ready. First, I have soaked a large lemon sized piece of tamarind in water and kept it ready. Next, we will dry roast some spices and make a powder. For this, take 1 tablespoon of whole black pepper, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds or dhania, 1 tablespoon of this til or sesame seeds, and we will dry roast all these ingredients together. Add just about 1/4 teaspoon of methi seeds to this and dry roast it along with the other spices. When everything is well roasted, remove it out, and when cool, we will dry grind it into a powder in our blender jar. Next, we will extract the thick tamarind juice from this. So in a pan, I have taken 1/4 cup of oil. We use sesame or til oil for this pulikachal. Add a teaspoon of mustard seeds, about 2 tablespoons of Urad Dal, 1 tablespoon of Channa Dal, 1/4 cup of this peanuts. Allow the groundnuts and the dal to get well roasted. Next, I am adding about 15 of these dry red chillies. I have broken them up into bits. This is Hing powder, and about half a teaspoon. Also some turmeric powder. And a few sprigs of curry leaves. Finally, add in this tamarind extract to it. Next, add in salt to taste. And we'll allow it to boil over a low to medium flame till it thickens in consistency. See, it has reduced nearly half the quantity. Now we'll add this ground masala powder which we dry roasted. Mix it well together. Also, I'll add a small piece of jaggery just to balance the taste. This is optional. If you don't want to add the jaggery, you can omit it, and allow it to come to a boil once again. Meanwhile, I have cooked some rice. As I have earlier told you, we use this unpolished raw rice at home as it is good for health. So, take out the required quantity of rice and just spread it out. Now add about a tablespoon of this til oil on this and allow the rice to cool. See, it has boiled very well, thickened in consistency, and you can see the oil has all oozed out on top. I switched it off, but every time I just enjoy this bubbling in the culture tea even after switching off the flame. Now our rice has also cooled down to room temperature. Add this pulikachal, the required quantity depending on how much ever rice you are taking, and mix it well together like this. The rice grains should be separate. That's why we allow it to cool. And when you cook the rice also, add slightly less water so that you get separate grains of rice. You don't want mushy rice. See, our perfectly done tamarind rice or pulin jadam is ready. Now allow it to cool a little bit and then we can pack it in our lunch box. In fact, the taste gets better with time. So if you pack it in the morning, by the time you eat at lunchtime, you can enjoy the awesome taste. The best combination for this is some chips to go with it. So the remaining pulikachal, allow it to cool, then transfer it into a clean dry glass bottle and you can store it and use as and when required. Our tasty home style puli sadam recipe is now ready in your lunch box for you to enjoy. And additionally, tomorrow is our festival of Adi Perukku, where we pray to river Kaveri Amman to bless us with bountiful water so that we have a good harvest too. So for that we make different types of variety rice, coconut rice, lemon rice, this tamarind rice, curd rice and so on. So this pulikachal can also be used for that preparation. You make the pulikachal and mix it with rice and use. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.